Oh, and here we are on another one in the woods with the pooch. Yeah, I'm just getting over this like cold cough thing that's been annihilating everyone. But yeah, needed to get Doggy out, and had a whole load of IKEA furniture to build for me now. So I thought, what's halfway in between Nan and me? The woods. So yeah, thought let's take the dog. But yeah, I have been here before and done a video here before. But I just thought, I haven't done it with the pooch yet. Let's see how the pooch gets on. She should enjoy it. You can enjoy it. Yeah. Of course she does. There's sticks, there's pee places, poop places. What is there not to love? It's up this way. We've been up this way. This is one of those moments where it's like, don't stray from the path. And then you kind of follow like a weird little path and then end up somewhere else. Well, that didn't take long for her to find a stick. Where are you going? I'm fairly certain this way led nowhere. Damn it. But Doggo got a stick. Doggo's found another trail. Where does this one go? We can get to the top from here. That's alright. That's alright. And it's not super steep. Look how much she loves it. I swear she's part husky. Are you part husky? Which we did see two of in the car park. Oh yeah. And story time. This is James from the future. This is a couple of weeks after doing this because I just had so much stuff to do and update and stuff. But yeah, the camera started playing up, so I did lose a lot of footage from this. Found some creepy stuff in the woods, like saw some people moving. I haven't edited the whole video yet, so some of it might be in. But yeah, the reason why this is called I Fell Out with DJI is because the camera started playing up, like really bad, to the point where it wouldn't even film. Camera goes wrong, as you will hear at the beginning of this very next clip. And it goes wrong quite bad. It doesn't record, it doesn't do anything. Hence why I lost all the footage. Hence why I'm doing this one now, because I bought the product care, the 2-year thing. It cost like 20 quid, 25 quid, something stupid. They sent me a new one. Not to mention as well, that's the dog playing with the toy in the background. It is loading the files proper quick. When it started going wrong, yeah, the files were just taking ages to download. So yeah, this camera works. Yeah, so I did lose a lot of footage from this. Especially in the woods. I thought it was because of being out in the middle of nowhere. Like I thought maybe it's no signal, but then I thought, hang on, it's an action cam, it doesn't need signal. It's just recording straight onto an SD card. But yeah, so I'm editing it now. You there, I can see you. You edit this video and just see how much we've actually lost. Well, that's weird. My camera's playing up. We've gone right into the thick of it. Has gone eerily quiet. But then, yeah, it said something about the the SD card being slow or something. I'm not sure what that was. I've never seen that before. And yeah, it just stopped recording. got what looks like some... Cheers, dog. Yeah, that's what it does. That loading thing there just came up again and said yeah, SD thing, speed slow, stop recording. It's like, fucking speed up. Yeah, I just noticed this. What's this? It's got a sign and everything. Looks bloody medieval. Woodlands camp. Cool. Yeah, that was creepy. I just saw something move in the trees down there. And yeah, right as I did, the camera gave up. Again. But yeah, it's doing my head in. Where are you? Must be a path down there or something. Make sure there's no one following me. Trying to run up behind me and murder me in the woods. I've got a very angry doggy here. Now you'd lick him to death, wouldn't you? But yeah, I'm going to get so confused when it comes to editing this one now, because so many clips that I tried to record on this bloody Osmo, it's just stopped recording. It's like brilliant. Bugger it, I'm doing it on the phone. And literally, I can't film nothing. It is cutting out. See, that's what it says. What the hell? I keep saying it. But we are in the woods. But yeah, there was definitely someone, like, it was obviously a person, it wasn't like a ghost or a witch or something. But there was someone walking through the trees. Oh. And then, yeah, right, I pull the camera out to film it, and then it says, oh, yeah, the SD speed is too slow, stop recording. It's like, oh, just do your job. You only have one. This DJI's way of trying to get me to buy the Action 6. It's like, oh, you're having problems with your camera. Luckily, we've got a new one. It's like, bugger off. Honestly, don't remember this taking this long. Yeah. All by myself in the woods. It's treacherous in the cold. Ooh. There's a scream then. Not sure if the camera picked that up or whether I was recording when they did it. I am hearing people there. Let's have a look. Yeah, two nice walkers. Where did they go? Up there. There's older couple out on a stroll. Oh. Now to try and get back down, I think, to find out what's wrong with this camera. Oh. Didn't even realise I've been walking for quite a while and that message is still on the camera. What does that mean? Anyone know? Because I did the new firmware update, but I've had problems with it since trying to get that big clip. Yeah, like it said that like the file was damaged or corrupt or something, and then yeah, I tried for ages just to try and download it. I tried cutting it down and downloading it, wouldn't work. But then I tried so many routes to try and get that footage off it, that it had stopped even playing it, because I thought, well, it's a bit of a crap way to do it, but if I could get the file to play just the bit that I want, then just film the screen, film the MacBook. Oh, I'm gonna fall right on my arse. Yeah, quite sloped. But yeah, and then all of a sudden, the camera's playing up. I formatted the SD card as well, because I thought if I can't use the file, I'm just going to take everything off that I can use, which took about 30 times as long, and then I just formatted the file. I'm going to slide down here if I go at an angle. I need to find a bit that's not covered in ice, which unfortunately is nowhere. Oh God, why did I come this way? At this rate, I think I'd be better off just rolling down the bloody thing. Just roll down, slide to the bottom, and then just get up here. What do you think, Dog? Dog's going mad. What do you think? Are you going to slide down? Look at that, just as if it's nothing. And there's me like tiptoeing, because I don't want to slip. She's like, nee, 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 nee. Super dog. Oh God, it is awful. Don't fall. Don't fall. I've nearly made it. I've nearly made it. That path just in front of that gate there. That's the way out of here. Yeah, so slowly trying to get us back into the routine of doing the good walks, but wasn't feeling. I'm probably, I don't know, maybe 60%. And don't get me wrong, that 40 is still kicking my ass, but it's like, my God, we've been here for ages and you haven't thrown my stick. Yeah. Speed demon. Don't forget your stick. Or do you need something? I think she needs something. Like a pea or a pope. Because this is what she does. She likes to walk her stick somewhere safe. And then go and do her business. And then she runs down and gets it again. Don't you, Doge? Oh. Damn. Shropshire is looking icy cold. Look at that way back there. Damn. That looks like Earl's Hill. I think that's Earl's Hill, which I think we've done. Half of it's covered in snow. Damn. Christ. That's cool. What hell of a zoom on those cameras, because that was like, that's what it looks like normally. Like, you can't even see the mountains in the background. Mad. Oh, we are back at the woods. Base of the woods. I wonder if anyone's knocked my my side mirror off. Yeah, the car park was rammed when I got here. Ended up driving all the way past the car park and into the village on the back where all the nice houses are. And yeah, then struggled to turn around to come back. I was like, my God. I'm starting to see cars. Oh, that is my car. It's got a roof box on it. No way. What are the odds in that? This camera's given up on me now. Now I've got to go and do my research and find out what's wrong with me bloody camera. Oh. Should we get you back in the car, Pooch? Should we get out of here? I need a hot drink, I think. I'm not sure if anyone else uses the same technique that I do as well when you're ill. But the way that I find that will take a cold or flu that knocks you for like a week, the best thing I do is buy the hottest curry. Bearing in mind I'm not good with hot food at all, like not even close. But I buy like the hottest curry, like well, I'm probably going to sound like an absolute wimp, like a jalfrezi. You know, all of you curry heads are probably like, oh no, there's way hotter than that. It's like, yeah, and I don't want to die. But yeah, roasting aside, yeah, I buy the hottest curry and then a couple of Bombay Bad Boy pot noodles, you know, lots of hot drinks, and then go and sweat it out in a boiling hot bath. And I find it just doesn't get anywhere near as bad as what it can do if you don't do any of that. But does anyone else do the same? Where's my dog? Oh, someone's thing's frozen. He's blocking traffic now. Come here. We'll wait here. Come here. Sit. Okay, don't sit. Actually, that floor's well muddy. Yeah. Take two. Yeah, without the dying. Yeah. So he says. Yeah, now that it's also safer and Doggo is in the car. For God's sake. Round 4. Really quickly before it goes again. I think she was 19... 1903. Oh, fuck's sake. Yeah, she was 19.3, I think. 19 kilos. When I first got her weighed. Attempt 936. Yeah, she was like late 19 kilos, I think. And they said that they'd be happy if she got up to 21. Because she's not massive. Oh, yeah, you're pretty big. She always seems to cry out of one eye as well. Eh? Whenever we go out. But aren't you cute? But yeah, last time, yeah, when we got her, she was 19 stone. And then after a bit of bulking up, we got her to 20 stone, like in the late 20s. But I haven't waited for ages. And we've started giving wet and kibble. Because it flavours it up for you, doesn't it? She just licked my chair. That chair tasty. But yeah, she's a heifer now. Oh yeah, you're a big doggy. But right, let's get home. Get home, hot pot noodle, hot drink. And see you in the next one.